And Clarion East, out of 780, imagine what kind of an election is this? 780, 778 go to one person, sponsored, supported by the village leaders. And out of 872, 862 again went to the candidate supported by the village leaders. So where is the free and fair election? People were asked to surrender their epic to the village leaders. One of our polling agents in Maya Club, Nartiang constituency, was abducted for many hours on that day. And another fellow in Shiliang Mintang constituency was taken by these opponents. They were about to throw him from the bridge. And how can you say that there is a free and fair election, sir? And I have with me also a copy of FIR. There are many, in fact, FIR which we have complained to the police department. And I'm telling you, as a party who represent the voice of the people party, we will not sit idle. We will not leave the stone unturned till the people of Giant Hills are getting the opportunity to exercise their franchise freely. I'm asking this to the Chief Minister of the state. I'm not asking to Mr. Conrad Sangma as an individual, but as the Chief Minister of the state. He is not only the leader of the Treasury bench, sir. He is also our leader and the leader of the state. Can he sleep peacefully when he knows that his people cannot exercise freely their franchise in our state? So therefore, sir, I strongly object this paragraph mentioned in this address. Sir, this is just one. Let me read out this FIR submitted by the people who suffered from the high-handedness of these people in the village. To the Superintendent of Police, East Giant Hills District, Clarion, complaint come first information report. Respected sir, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally complain and report a distressing incident that occurred on February 21, 2025 during the JHEDC election in Tolo village. At approximately noon, I, Mrs. Fairleo, Nok Dumai Simply, being a polling agent of the VPP party on that day, found myself threatened by certain people for stopping them from attempting to proxy vote for legitimate voters. The atmosphere was tense, with heated exchange escalating into threats directed towards me and my family. They made menacing remarks indicating they would forcibly evict my family from our home in the village, a blatant violation of our rights and a clear affront to the JHDC Act. Furthermore, I must bring to your attention a subsequent attack on my house that occurred on February 24, 2025. I became the target of a violent mob at our residence in Tlo village. I have strong reasons to believe that the same individuals who threatened me were responsible for assault. I kindly urge you to investigate these incidents and take appropriate action to ensure the safety of my family and uphold the electoral process in our community.
Honourable Member, the time allotted to you is going to be up. Please kindly wind up.
Yes, sir, you can do, since I have already expressed that it would be fair. So I've just submitted.
I have already expressed my inability to comply with your request.
If this is the case, that means we belonging to this bench will have to sit quiet. Maybe from tomorrow and just tie up with a black handkerchief. Let us, because there is no point. So many things, sir. This address, sir, is a 23 pages. How would it be fair for the members belonging to the opposition to get 10-15 minutes only? If that is the case, I stop, sir.
We should be very fair to each and everybody.